Hi friends, let's start the first topic, sequence and series. So we'll start with very basic questions. So what is the values of x in the following sequences? Okay, whether these are the sequences or series. Okay, within 5 minutes I will tell you what is the exact difference between the sequence and series. Okay, so these are the sequences. Let's find out the values of x. So each and every number is getting added by 2, so the next number will be 12. Okay, here each and every number is getting added plus 4, so 17 plus 4 will be 21. Okay, so here 0 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 means what? Each and every number is getting added by minus 3, so the next number will be minus 18. Here all the numbers are 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, so the next x value will be 0 again. Okay, again in these sequences find the values of x. So it is 2 into 2 4, into 2 is 8, into 16 32, so 32 into 2 is 64. Okay, so these are very basic questions I am taking. Okay, so sequence and series is nothing but it is basic conceptual topic, so please don't leave this topic for option. Okay, I will give you such a beautiful, such a magical tricks with the help of which you can crack any question within 60 seconds. Please be with me. Okay, so what is the next? What is the value of this x? Each and every number is getting multiplied by what? 5. 5 se multiplier na, so it is 625 into 5, which is what? 3125. Okay, what is this? So each number is getting multiplied by what? Minus 3. Minus 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. Okay, so 9 into minus 3 is minus 27. It is so 81. So it is 81 into minus 3. This 3. So it is 273 with negative sign. So x is what? X is minus 273. What is next? Each and every number is getting multiplied by 0 0 0. So x is again 0. So in these sequences, what is the value of x? So 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. उसके बाद क्या है? अभी आप यहाँ if you observe very carefully, the denominator is getting increased by 2. So definitely the x will be what? 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, again 5, 25, 625, 625, then what will be the next? 625 into 2, that is again 3125. What is here? 1 1 1 1, so the next term again is 1. So have you observed I have taken some 3 different sequences here, in which if you see the first in which I have added some constant to all the numbers. I have added here in each and every questions I have added some numbers. Okay, in these questions I have multiplied some constant. यहाँ पे multiply by 2 है, यहाँ पे multiply by 5 है, यहाँ पे multiply by -3, यहाँ पे multiply by 0. Okay, and in this third what I am observing is I am adding the numbers to the denominator. I am adding numbers to denominator. So I am doing the same thing for each and every terms in this sequence. Getting? So with the help of this, let's move what is the sequence and series. So just before I asked you what is the difference between sequence and series. Sequence is nothing but the numbers arranged in definite order. So whatever we have seen just now, those all were the sequences. So for example 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, these all numbers are what? These are sequentially ordered numbers, because there is a fixed pattern in between any two consecutive terms. So what is that fixed pattern here? That fixed pattern is nothing but I am adding 5 to previous number to get the next number. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Okay, so this is one fixed pattern I have given you. The second fixed pattern what I can do is 5, next multiply by 5, next multiply by 5, next is 625. Okay, so this is what I am multiplying by 5. This is another fixed pattern. So fixed pattern, first one is addition. Okay, the next addition is, so the next pattern is what? It is a multiplication. So third fixed pattern is what? I will add the numbers to the denominator. I will add the fixed number to the denominator to get the next number. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, and so on. So what I am doing is I am adding the same number to the denominator to get the next number. So these three sequences means what? I am doing the same operation between the any two consecutive terms. Getting? So this is nothing but the sequence. So definite order. Yeah, definite order is very important. Okay. So what is series then? Kuch nahi hai sir. So just you take this. So just addition of the numbers which are in sequence. So 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 and so on. So addition of the numbers which are in sequence is nothing but the series. That's it. Okay, very good. So the sequence and series, for your syllabus you have three types of sequences. So first one is arithmetic progression. So progression is nothing but the incrementing the numbers. Okay, progress होते जा रहा है ना. Okay, so the arithmetic progression, the first series of questions I have given you, finding the values of x. Okay, so in which the common difference is d. Okay, in which the common difference, what number you are adding, that is the common difference is d. The next progression is a geometric progression, where you have the multiplier, that is a common ratio. Okay, r, what number you are multiplying, r. Okay, harmonic progression is nothing but the denominator in AP. Okay, so these we'll see in very detail in the upcoming videos. So first we will focus on this arithmetic. So again, for your syllabus, these two are very very important. Okay, very very important, trust me. Okay, maximum questions are there on the AP and GP. Okay, let's get started with arithmetic progression. So let's have one small example. So I will give, so we'll take this example: 5, then 10, then 15, then 20. Okay, suppose these are the in progression. Okay, plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 I am doing. So what is our first, my first term is what? A. So let's consider this first term is equals to A. Okay, what is the difference in between these two numbers? D is, that is 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Okay, so in this progression what I see is A is equals to 5, which is first number, and D is nothing but 5, that is second term minus first term. Always remember. Okay, D is always T2 minus T1, second term minus 1. If you take first term minus second term, your D will be wrong. Okay, so D is always T2 minus T1. Okay, so with this let's try to generalize the general arithmetic progression. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so first term is A. So how I get the second term with the help of A and D is nothing but A plus D. Whether this A plus D give me 10, so 5 plus 5 is 10. Very good. So with the help of again A and D, I want to get this third term. So if I do A plus 2D, that is A, it is 5, 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay, very good. So A plus 3D, so A is what? It is 5, 3D becomes 15, so 15 plus 5 is 20. A is 5 plus 2D is 10, so 5 plus 10 is 15. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so what is this? This is nothing but A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. This is nothing but a general terms in an AP. Okay, so why this n minus 1 term is coming here? See here, for the first term, okay, let me change the color, both red or na. Okay, so first term, for the first term, so this is what? This is the first term, this is second, third, fourth, and this is the last term, that is I will write as a tnth term. See, for the first term coefficient of D is 0, for the second term the coefficient of D is 1, for the third term coefficient of D is 2, For the fourth term, d is 3, and for this nth term, the coefficient of d will be n minus 1. So what is our general term of an AP is, okay, what is my general term of an AP is, always remember it is a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on, and a plus n minus 1 d. This is our general term of an AP. Okay, so what is nth term? So I told you, so the last term or any general term, it is nothing but the nth term. Okay, so what is nth term is, so Tn is always equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, very good. Now what is the sum of the first n terms of an AP? So you have already studied this, which is equals to n by 2, which is first term plus last term. Okay, so if you substitute these values, you will get n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So this is the formula for sum of the first n terms of an AP. So if I take example, so for example, again we'll take the same example, that is 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, if this is an AP, then find out the T21st term, T21st term of this AP. Okay, so what is A? In this case, A is what? It is 5. Okay, in this case A is 5, so it is 5 plus what is n minus 1? N is what? It is 21, so n minus 1 will be what? 20. D kitna hai? D is what? 5. It is 5, so which is nothing but 5 plus 100, which is nothing but 105. Okay, so T21th term is what? 105. In this sequence, if you continue writing this, you will get 105 as a 21st term. So what is the sum of first 21 terms? Okay, again let's consider the same question. If it is an AP and 21st term is at 105, then what is the sum of these all numbers? What is the sum of these all numbers? Okay, so that will be given as n. N will be what? 21, which is equals to 21 by 2, which is first term kitna hai? It is 5 plus last term is what? It is 105. Okay, so which is 21 by 2, so 5, it is 110, which is 55. So 21 into 55 is your answer. Okay, so this is the sum of the first 21 terms of an AP. I hope you are getting. Okay, let's have fun with arithmetic progression. So what I mean the fun is, we are going to study the properties of an AP. अभी properties यूज किया तो बच्चों को बोर होता है. ठीक है, they seems it is very difficult or it is very boring, but trust me, these properties will save your life. What are properties? Properties क्या होते हैं? Properties are nothing but your weapons. Okay, when your examiner asks you some tricky question, with the help of the properties, with the help of this weapon, you will directly kill that question. Okay, you will solve that question easily. Okay, so what is the first property is, if a1, a2, a3 are in AP with a common difference d, then okay, what is my first properties? A1 plus or minus k, a2 plus or minus k, a3 plus or minus k in AP with d. समझ में आ रहा कुछ? नहीं. Very good. Now let's see, we'll move step by step. Okay, let me clear everything. If a1, a2, a3 are in AP, okay, first consider the same example, 5, 10, 15, 20. So okay, these are the in AP. Okay, what is a here is 5. What is common difference? D is 5 again. Okay, then a1 plus or minus k. So k is what? It is a constant. Suppose in this case k I am taking as a 10. Okay, so what will be this series becomes is 5. Okay, first I will consider the addition, then we'll see with the multiplication. So 5 plus 10, second will becomes 10 plus 10, third will become 15 plus 10, then I will have this 20 plus 10, which is nothing but 15, 20, then 25, then 30. Okay, whether these four are in AP, these four terms are in sequence, arithmetic sequence. Yes, definitely. And what is the difference? Difference is same, sir. Previously the difference was 5, now also the difference is 5. It is 20 minus 15 is what? It is 5. Still it is 5. So D is again 5. Means what this property, first property is saying is, whenever you add or subtract any number from a sequence, whenever you add or subtract any number from a sequence, then the new sequence which you are getting is still remains in AP with the same common difference. Getting? Okay, you try with this difference minus sign. 5 minus 2, you take k is equals to 2. So what will be your answer is 5 minus 2, 10 minus 2, okay, 15 minus 2. So you will get 3, 7, okay, so it will be 13, okay. So these all are what? These are again in AP with the same common difference, D is 5. Okay, means what? Addition and subtraction does not change the value D. Getting? Very good. So let me clear the screen. What is next property is A1k, A2k and A3k means what? If you multiply some constant k to the all terms of an AP, then the difference will become KD. Okay, let's take an example. So what AP we had is 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, let k is equals to 10. Let k is equals to 10. So what will be our new series becomes A1k. So 5 into 10 is 50. Second is 10 into 10 is 100. 15 into 10 is 150. 20 into 10 is 200. Okay. So this is what? Whether these are in sequence. So 50, 100. What is the difference between these two? 50 and 100 is 50. 150 and 100 is again 50. The common difference is 50. Common difference is 50. Common difference is 50. Means what? Here the difference becomes 50. If you multiply the each terms of an AP, then the new AP will remain in AP, but the difference will change to k into D, where k in our case was a 10, so it becomes 10 into original D was 5, so it becomes 50. Okay, see here, these two are same. Okay, very good. So what is our third property is A1 by k, A2 by k and A3 by k. Again your AP will have the common differences D by k. Okay, again if you take the same example 5, 10, 15 and 20 and k is equals to, let's say 5. Okay, so 5 by 5 is, and 10 by 5 and 15 by 5, and here you will have 20 by 5. So your answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is my new sequence which is again in AP and the common difference is 1. How this 1 comes? See, this is what? It is D. Original D was 5. What the k you have taken is 5. So 5 by 5 is what? It is 1. Okay. Means what? For multiplication and division your k changes. Okay. But for your addition or subtraction k, the difference, common difference does not change. Please remember this. So our next property is sum of terms of an AP equidistant from beginning to end is constant and is always equal to sum of first and last term. Okay. See, what is problem is हम लोग है ना ऐसे ही सीधा पढ़ते हैं. We don't understand what they have given. Okay, let's try to understand with the help of some simple example. Sum of terms of an AP equidistant. So we'll take some simple AP. The same AP will take 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, sum of terms of an AP equidistant from beginning to end. मतलब equidistant from beginning, यहाँ से first है और end से first है. So what is the addition of these two? 25 plus 5 is 30. Now addition of these two is what? 10 plus 20 is what? Again it is 30. Means what? The sum of terms equidistant from beginning and end is always same. Okay, is always equal to sum of first term and last term. Very good. So sum of first term is 5 and last term is 25. So 5 plus 25 is 30. So if you have the long sequence, you will understand this. Okay, very good. Let me clear the screen. Okay, yes. So what is our third properties? If the number of terms in an AP are odd, okay, then sum of terms is equal to product of middle term and the number of terms. Okay, we'll check with the example. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Are these are in AP? Yes, very good. Okay, if the number of terms in an AP are odd, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 terms, okay, means odd terms. Sum of terms is always equal to product of middle term and the number of terms. Okay, now sum of these term is what? What is the sum of these terms? See here, कितना हो गया सम भाई? ये 15, इन दोनों का 15 हो गया, 15 15 30, 50 आणि 75. So it is 75 is the sum of these 5 numbers. But what our property weapon is saying is this sum is always equal to product of middle term and the number of terms. What is the middle term is? Middle term is 15 and the number of terms are what? 5. So what is this? 15 into 5 is what? 75. Very good. See, either you do manual addition or use the properties. See what I told you, properties are like your tools. With the help of you can crack the questions in very stipulated time. Okay, so what is our fourth property is, if the number of terms are odd, then AM is always middle term. What is AM is? It is arithmetic mean, okay, average. If the number of terms are odd, okay, you take again same question, 2, 4, 6, okay, then 8, then 10. If the number of terms are odd, then middle term is AM, arithmetic mean of these numbers. Mean means what? Add all these numbers and divide by total number of numbers, you will get the answer as 6. Okay, remember the middle term is always mean term. If number of terms are even, then what? 2, 4, 6 and 8. Then what is mean of these numbers? कुछ नहीं, इन दोनों का mean निकालो. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2, which is nothing but 10 by 2, which is nothing but 5. So 5 is the mean of these two. Okay, next, clear screen. Yes, if A1, A2, A3, AN and B, concentrate on these two. Okay, A and B, these are the end terms of your AP, then these middle terms, okay, if A1 and B, A and B are the end terms of an AP, then these middle terms A1 to AN are known as n arithmetic means between A and B. Then these are known as n arithmetic means between A and B. Okay, where this A1 is equals to A plus D, A2 is equals to A plus 2D and AN is equals to A plus ND, with D B minus A upon N plus 1. Okay, so this will be very helpful when we see questions based on this. I hope you like this video. Please go through all the videos which I am posting here. Okay, you will get all the tricks and shortcuts to crack the questions within 60 seconds. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to get more shortcut, magical and conceptual videos. Thank you.